I'm gonna show you how to change from Uber Eats to Uber Driver. Choose any browser of your choice, and then from there you have to type change Uber Eats to Uber Driver, and then click on the first link, switch to driving with Uber, and then you will be redirected to the Uber website. From there you have to click the contact support to switch, and on this page you can see that there's a choice between if you're a driver partner who wants to switch to Uber Eats delivery, go to this link, or if you're a delivery person who wants to change the vehicles to use for deliveries, and then you go to this link. Since we want to switch from Uber Eats to delivery, go to this link, and then you will be redirected to the next page. All you have to do is scroll down, and from there you can see contact support, then you have to click chat with us. From there you will see the chat bar, and then you have to type in your concern, which is I want to switch from Uber Eats to Uber Driver, and then you will wait for the instructions of the chat support to how to switch from Uber Eats to Uber Driver.